Tontorcaltedron.info pop-ups in your browser is a sign that your computer is infected with malware. This rogue web page is able to pop up out of nowhere, even if your browser is closed. To remove this malware in a few minutes, you may use an antivirus application, or you may use a manual guide. Wipersoft is a special fully automated anti-malware program that will detect and remove malware from your computer. Download Wipersoft from the link in the description and install the program. Once you have installed it, it will scan your system and detect malware threats. Now to manual instruction. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for experienced computer users. Any action you take upon the information on this video is strictly at your own risk, and we will not be liable for any losses and damages in connection with the use of this guide. Click on the Start button or press the Windows key to open the Start menu. Click on the Settings at the top. Click on App and Features on the left menu. To make search process easier, sort by install date. Find recently installed program you don't recognize. Click on it, then click on the Uninstall button. Now you need to remove the malware from your browser. Open Google Chrome and select More Tools, then choose Extensions. Find the malicious extension or any other suspicious extension you don't recognize. Choose Remove option. To be sure that there is nothing left behind, we recommend you to reset your browser. Click the Chrome menu 3 bars button in the top right corner and choose Settings. Click Show Advanced Settings. Go to Reset and Clean Up Settings section. Click Reset Settings. If you can't locate any suspicious programs or not sure what some application is for, we advise you not to risk and use Wipersoft Scanner in order to track down what malicious program is infecting your system. Use the link down below in the description to download Wipersoft anti-malware program.